Hello everyone and welcome to this detailed video on how to replace a worn or broken drive belt in your front loader Samsung washing machine. You'll need to replace this part if your washing machine is not spinning during cycles. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. In order to prevent any chances of electrocution, ensure that your washing machine is disconnected from the power outlet before starting this repair. Turn the water faucet off to prevent leakage. Depending on the location of your machine, you'll need to pull the drain hose out of the standpipe for easier access to the back of. Next, you need to disconnect the water supply hose from the inlet port at the back of the machine. Some water may spill out, so ensure that you have a rag nearby to clean any leaks. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the nuts at the back of the machine securing the rear access panel. Carefully pry the rear panel of the machine and set it aside. Carefully pry the drive belts off the motor pulley and drive pulley. Once you've taken the old belt out, prepare the new one for installation by hooking it onto the motor pulley and drive pulley. Ensure that the groove side of the belt is facing inwards. With the new drive belt in place, snap the rear access panel back onto the machine. Secure the rear access panel by tightening the Phillips screws. Reconnect the water supply hose to the inlet port at the back of the machine. Plug your washing machine into the electrical outlet, then turn the water supply back on. Once you've completed all these steps, try running a wash cycle to ensure that your appliance works properly.